as we dey progress, and as you see right now, we under the crash because we want for begin build a website. Well, you know, just the build website before you dey build am first, you get for know how you dey get hosting, how you go able get an hosting for yourself. We dey start from scratch, even if you no get knowledge, no problem. We get two way. We get a free way, free hosting, then we get a paid hosting. But because we dey learn this course, we dey try for provide a free hosting to you. But it all depends what you want for use. Either you want for use a free hosting or use a paid hosting. So for now and for this course, we dey use the free hosting method. Then after this course, the next course, I go show you how you go able forget a paid hosting. Don't assume say you go don't get a client now, we go can't pay you money, say, well, Mr. I want make you build this particular website for me. You know, advisable for let put on a free hosting. So that be the case, you go put on a paid hosting. So how forget a free hosting? Come to the browser address, then you type awardspace.com. So awardspace.com now a platform where they offer free hosting and free domain name. So because we new, you will click on the sign up button. So it all depends what you want for use for join with. You will either use your Facebook name or your Google address, or you fill out the form. So easily I'll click on my Gmail. So it all depends what you want for use, and click on your credential for login. Because we already get the free hosting done, as you see, a welcome in here. Then it gets this message. So we don't need that. Now we want for come able forget a free domain name because of this cause. We don't want for spend, so we want forget a free domain name. All we need for do, we will click on the dashboard first, so we all go try for there at the same starting point. So now as you see, we all lay on the dashboard. So we just go try for focus on this side. This side now, I will try for zoom there. This side. First step, make easy. So now that side we need. Then you click on the domain manager from here. You click on domain manager. So as we see, this is the box for the domain manager. You get transfer domain. That if you already don't get domain other side, you want for carry it onto the platform, you click on transfer domain. Then we get host a domain. If you already get a domain where you want for let like a host for you, you will click host a domain. But if you see this .com for now, this tells you if you put anything here, it will tell you say for pay for them. So let's just put Sierra Leone. Yeah, Sierra Leone of K. Sierra Leone website learning. Sierra Leone website learning.com. If I say check domain, this go require me for make a pay. And we don't have for pay for now because I land one land. We have for land first, so don't know. Then we'll get to first project, we begin for pay. But because we have for land, we'll just try for watch for the free domain. As we see, this now paid domain. Anyone we use now, you pay for them. All these are available. You see the money, see the price. But we don't want this. So they go back